Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Morning Volatility Report. As I am Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming all of you to our Morning Vol Report. I think, well, I'm not going to say we have any vol yet. I like this phrase that Mark came up with. For right now, the Fed is volatility. I think that is a good one. Okay. We had the ADP report. You know, it was okay. It wasn't as much as everybody thought. Maybe the non-farm number will be bigger. But whatever it feels like, we will have a rise this year. Okay, I don't know if we're going to have two. If the Fed could just be quiet and make up its mind, I think life will be a lot easier overall. However, we are picking up a little bit of vol. You know, this is all normal. We have the numbers, a little bit of nervousness. We rallied a little bit. We sold off. Q stocks, Apple, Baba, Amazon, Cisco. Okay. We'll get to dust and gold in a minute. Google, right? The Q stocks still look very strong. Okay, even though they're at all-time highs, nowhere near the valuations they had 16 years ago. So that still looks like a strong part of the market. The second strong part of the market is banks, right? We're going to look at Goldman Sachs today. We're going to look for volatility for stocks that really have a chance to bolt out if we have some kind of a move tomorrow. So we'll be setting up a trade like that in our chat room today. Right? Maybe some new stuff will happen out of there. Like I said before here, now look at the futures just to get a sense, right? You have your active SEP futures up 9 cents. That's nothing. Active October future up 2 cents. So at least for right now, the market's happy with. It's hard to believe, okay? And I'm finding this. The market's happy with the October future and the 16 handle. Okay, we all know how Octobers have been. Just isn't there. Right now, realized volatility is about 6%, and the October future is almost 17, right? 1680. So that is a massive premium for vol. Okay. Is it all going to come crashing down tomorrow? No. Volatility could be lower tomorrow, right? We have some stuff in our strategy letter kind of set up for that. I like to look at some VIX today as well to set up for tomorrow. Because really, if, I think you get sort of the number set in stone, right? They're going to do something with rates. They're going to be back down like a 12.5 fall here. Okay? This short rise we're having today is going to evaporate like crazy. Okay? That's what I'm thinking. I think banks could take off, and I think the Qs will continue to lead the way, as they've been doing all year. The second part would be, I think we're, again, looking for gold is not doing very well, and the miners are not. Whoops, I got to get off my future chart here. Right? And the miners are not doing very well. Why are they doing so poorly here? Right? They got bid up huge, and they have sold off huge. So I guess the question is, what makes them continue? I think we still could see a lot more movement out of these guys. Note, okay, some of the most expensive relative volatility, even in more volatile names, is in these. GDX vol is pretty big. GDXJ vol is pretty big. And to be honest, after this, they could be anywhere. Okay? The way I see this again, is, kind of here's the Brexit stuff. Are we going to shake it off? Is it shaken off? Is it totally shaken off back to some level down here? Right? So that's possible. I don't know how far down that drags us. But if we've shaken that off, I think there's something there. Right? So we'll see if we can find something for a little. Again, I want something that's going to make money on a stretched move. All right? So between the Qs, financials, gold, we're looking for the number tomorrow, and that's kind of where, I mean, you got to go where the market is. There's not a lot of, the real realized vol is in gold. It's not really anywhere else. Implied vol is bid up in the other regular indexes and equities, but it's only bid up relative to the very low vol, right? You're getting more realized vol in these guys. Okay, you're also getting more vol in these guys as they just kind of crap out. All right. So with that, we'll see what happens, and I will see a lot of you in the chat room shortly. All right, guys. Bye-bye.